In this video tutorial, we show how to connect a P10 RGB display panel with the Huidu W04 controller, step-by-step guide for initial setup, install the mobile app, connect the device with the app, create a basic text program, and set up an LED display clock. Required components: Huidu W04 display controller. Note, also you can use any other model of Huidu controller for same. P10 RGB display panel. Here, we are using a P10 LED panel with a resolution of 32 pixels in width and 16 pixels in height, and the series of the panel is 8S. Identifying the LED panel module type will help to choose the correct display configuration when selecting the hardware on the app. DC 5V 10 amp power supply. Power cables, for connecting the SMPS to the LED panel and the display controller. Flat ribbon cables, for data connecting LED panel with controller. Mobile device, for app installation. Power connection. Connect the power cable from the SMPS to the controller, ensuring correct polarity with positive and negative connections on both devices as illustrated in the following diagram. Note, in this video, we demonstrate the connection of only one P10 panel. For this single panel, we use a DC 5V 10 amp SMPS. If you wish to connect additional panels, you will need to increase the SMPS amperage accordingly, allocating approximately 5 amps for each additional panel. Connect the data cable on the controller X1 port. On the LED panel, there are two data ports available, one marked as IN and the other marked as OUT, or indicated by an arrow indicating the direction. You should connect the data cable to the IN port. Connect SMPS power supply to display panel also as per the connection diagram. Turn on the power. Initially, the display may not appear correctly. You will need to select the display panel hardware with the controller and configure the panel pixel size using either the mobile app or PC software. In this demo, we will configure the display using the mobile app. Download and install LED Art from the Play Store. The LED Art app serves as a versatile tool for managing LED display panels efficiently. It allows users to configure panel settings such as resolution and brightness, create dynamic content including text, images, animations, and clocks, and organize these elements into program displays. The app supports remote control functionality, enabling users to wirelessly send and schedule content to the LED controller. The W04 display controller offers accessibility through either a UDisc or its own Wi-Fi access point, AP. To configure it using the app, connect your mobile device to the display controller's Wi-Fi network. In the LED Art app, navigate to the Device section and click on the Find Device option to establish a connection between the controller and your mobile device. This action enables you to configure and manage the LED display settings and content directly through the app interface. The controller's Wi-Fi SSID will start with WFXX. Select this network and enter the controller's Wi-Fi password. The default Wi-Fi password is 88888888. Also, ensure that you accept the Wi-Fi connection even without internet access and disable mobile data on your device when connected to the controller. This ensures that the LED Art app can communicate properly with the controller over the local Wi-Fi network without interference from mobile data. Now that the controller is communicating with the mobile app, you can proceed with configuring and managing your LED display settings and content directly from your device. Before selecting the display panel hardware type, it's advisable to create a simple text display program. This program will help you determine the correct display configuration when selecting hardware in the app. By running this program, you can verify that the text displays correctly on your LED panel. Under the Program section, navigate to New Display and click the Add button to create a new program. When adding the program for the first time, you'll need to set the display resolution size according to your P10 display panel. Select a width of 32 pixels and a height of 16 pixels, and ensure the color level is set to full color to match. Now, on the text program screen, select the font size as 14 and choose the animation effect, continuously move left. Then, set the speed between 30 to 40 to achieve the desired animation movement on your LED display panel. Once you have created the text program with the specified settings, click on the Send button to transmit this program to the controller card. The text is running on the display panel but not correctly due to hardware settings not being configured yet. Ensure that the controller card's display resolution is configured to match the resolution of your panel, 32 by 16 pixels for the P10 panel. Go to the Hardware setting in the LED Art app. Authenticate by entering the password 888. In the Hardware Smart settings, select the P10 display model under the scan group based on the series of the panel you have. For example, we have an 8S RGB type of panel, so that we choose 8S full color in the scan group. Under the scan group, various hardware profiles are available. You may need to select each profile one by one to determine which one is suitable and displays the text correctly on the screen. Once you find the correct profile, confirm it by clicking on Manual Confirmation. Alternatively, you can use the Auto Recognition feature to automatically detect the appropriate settings. When the text is properly playing on the screen, stop at that profile or select it according to the profile number. Once you've completed this configuration, you can test the screen colors to ensure they match the app program colors. Use the Screen Test option in the app to run a color test on the panel and verify that the display colors are accurate and consistent with your program settings. Here, if all the colors are displayed correctly as per the app testing colors, it means the display panel and controller card are configured and calibrated successfully. Now, the text program is displaying exactly as per the app's program color, font type, and size on the display panel. You can start creating your content and upload it to the controller for display. Okay, finally, you can create a digital big screen LED clock using these display panels with the W04 controller. This setup allows for a highly visible and customizable clock display, perfect for various applications. On the existing program, delete the current text content. Then, select the clock option to add a digital clock to your display panel. This allows you to configure and display a large, clear, and accurate time on your LED screen using the W04 controller. Due to the P10 display resolution, select only the clock time with either the 24-hour or 12-hour format. Set the other options, such as date and week, to the not display. The time font size should be set between 12 to 14 to ensure it is displayed correctly on the panel. Additionally, you can select the color for the clock time to customize its appearance on the display panel. Once you have created the time program, click Send to upload the program to the controller. The colorful digital clock is displayed on the panel, but the time shown is different from your current time. This discrepancy is because the display controller device has not been set to the correct time according to your location. You can synchronize the display controller's time with your mobile device's time under the Apps, Device, and Time settings. To update the date and time on the controller, disable and then re-enable the time synchronization option. This will ensure the correct time is set on the display panel. Now that the display controller is configured to synchronize with your mobile phone's time, the display is showing the current time accurately. Note, the initial update of date and time is required only once. Afterward, the display controller's CMOS battery will maintain the date and time settings. This ensures that the date and time remain accurate even when the power is turned off and on again later. Various colors and border types available to modify the clock are colorful and beautiful. You can use an outer body with a front transparent acrylic sheet to enclose and showcase the display panel and controller, creating a beautiful big LED digital clock. This setup not only protects the components but also enhances the aesthetic appeal, making it suitable for various settings such as offices, homes, or public spaces where a clear and prominent time display is desired. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.